Hey everybody, this is Sean coming to you live with Robin and Varun on a Sunday morning. We are going through the new SendGrid changes. So if you're using SendGrid, they've talked about upgrading your authentication method to API keys. If you're using them, this video is for you. We're just actually going through this ourselves. So what they said to do is come in here and actually create a new API key. So what we've done so far is, let me just show you, we logged into SendGrid, we went over to settings, API keys, and we hit create API key. So now from here, we're going to take the next steps. Okay, so what we're going to do here is leave full access on, and I'm just going to put in test SMTP key, and now I'm going to go ahead and hit create and view. Obviously, I'm going to get rid of this key when I'm done with this video because we don't want to have our key out in the world, but definitely then now what we're going to do is actually grab this key and go ahead and copy it, and now we're going to move to the next step. Okay, so now we're back in, and what we're going to do is we're going to roll into the settings inside your account inside HighLevel, go into the SMTP and Mailgun service, and what I did is I already added this here to test it out, but I just go ahead and hit add service and choose SendGrid, and then for the username you're going to type API key. Then for the password, you're going to paste your new token you just generated. And then on the email side, I'm going to put in my SendGrid email, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save, bloop, which I already did before. And then of course, just make sure if you already have this, it's just you're editing the existing one, very easy to do. And then also marking it as a default provider and just hitting the save button. And from there, it should just be easy enough to go out and test it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in, I'm going to add my my personal contact here. Let's do my Hotmail address. There we go. All right, boom, save. Put down here, go into email and just say test from SendGrid. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Boom, send. Awesome. So now we'll jump over to Hotmail and see what we got. Oh, look at that. Bam, came right through. Amazing. So now that's totally working and is totally awesome. And so let's just go back in real quick and take it from the top. So first of all, why are we doing this? What's the point? SendGrid is changing this because they got into a situation where they think that 2FA, which is the two-factor authentication, is super important. And so when you enable this, it sort of disables the existing SMTP setup. So then you're literally, it's a very easy thing to fix though. We're literally just going into settings, API keys, generating that new key that in here by hitting create. We left the full access on, we added a name, and then you basically copy that key out, you go back into HighLevel, you add that to your SendGrid account using the username API key, and you should be good to go. So anyways, I hope everybody's having an awesome Sunday, and if you have any questions, as always, let us know. Thanks, bye guys.